show you how to briefly change out this igniter for this furnace, which is this part. So how to tell if it's bad? I mean, you gotta look at it. If it goes through the stages, the inducer motor turns on, then you hear the gas valve open up, and you should see this igniter glowing. So what this was doing is the inducer motor was turning on, the gas was opening up. I heard the gas, you'll hear it come out, but the igniter wasn't doing nothing. So it told me right away this needed to get changed out. So it's back here. You'll see it. I mean, it's not complicated, you know. It's a single screw that holds it, and this is the part. This is what it looks like. Now, I would get a picture of the model number and serial, like that, and take it to the HVAC store and just say, hey, or take the part out and say, hey, I want this, to make it easier on yourself. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's a 1/4 inch, you know, simple 1/4 inch screws. All usually, from what you know, my understanding is most stuff is 1/4 inch. When you deal with furnaces, it should be mostly universal. So I mean, you just put the part in. No, actually, what did I do? I left the part inside. I gotta get the part. There's a bracket. Let me show you. All right, so look. For example, this is the other one. It broke coming out, whatever. It was not working anyway, but it's important to note that this bracket needs to come off, because it's how it's secured in there. It sits like this. So I'm gonna put this on the new one, and then just put it in. Make sure these break super easily, so you gotta be very careful. You know, this is just like a quick beginner's guide, just how to change these parts out. So I'll edit when it's in and it's working. All right. So I actually had to take this flame sensor out. There's like just enough room, or you got to make twists and turns to get it to fit in there perfectly. And sometimes you got to take something out. Like I had to take this flame sensor out, this screw out, so I can fit. I had to like make this turn and sit up so it sits back here. Yeah, this is the bracket that the actual part sits on. Okay, now I'm gonna fire it up and let's see if that was the issue. It better work. All right, inducer. Okay, now the igniter should light up. It better work, I swear to God. There it is. Okay. So that wasn't doing that before. The gas should open up. We should have ignition. Gas. Like you can actually like hear it. Cool. Okay. You can see it back there. So what I do is I wait like maybe 5 minutes just to make sure it doesn't cut off. This is just like a quick, you know, a little tip. I hope it helped you out. Okay, the fan's on, and now the fan is delivering the hot air to the house. Booyah, what's up? All right, consider subscribing, like it, and yeah, peace.